Hey guys, it's Erica Stone, and I wanted to show you how you can find the custom CSS to add to your website's custom CSS field or style sheet when you want to make small visual appearance changes to your website. I use Firefox for this because I just think it's easier for this particular task. And you can do this with any website, even one you don't own, just to practice with it. But I'm looking at my crochet website. I'm on Firefox, and I'm going to right-click on some blank space. I'm going to open the Inspect Element tab, and that's going to bring up this Inspect Element tool. It's actually like the developer tool in Firefox. You might have to shrink it to find the part of your site you want to look at, but suppose I want to change the font size right here of my navigation menu. I would click this little Inspect Element icon over here, and then I'd click on one of these items, and in this middle box it will show me the CSS controlling that part, the navigation menu here, that I've selected. So I want to look for where it mentions font, and scrolling through here I see, there it is, menus. Okay, it's showing me the menu font size is 18 pixels. Then right above that item is a link, and that's the style sheet file that is controlling the look of the navigation menu. If I click on it, it then expands to show me that part of the style sheet, and I can see the font size here, 18 pix. I can test out doing 25 pixels and see when I entered 25 it increased the size. This does not change your website. It only lets you play with changes so you could see what they would look like. So if I wanted to make my navigation menu font size 25 pixels, I now know I need to copy this dot menus curly bracket, and then I click the return key, and I need to take this font size of 25 pixels that I would want to add to my site, and then I have to end any code in the style sheet with an end curly bracket. So I'm going to put that on the next line. Okay, so this is the code I would want to add right here, dot menus curly bracket font size 25 pixels end curly bracket, to my custom CSS field. Most themes, if you go into WordPress and then go to appearance and then go to customize, you'll find a box called Additional CSS, and I would be able to put this code in that box and it would change my navigation menu font size. But I can see there are other fields in here. I could change the background color and see what that would look like. So if I changed the background to black, I'm gonna mess it up. Background color. Oh, it changed it over here. So when I changed background color, it changed it over here, but not the background of the actual tabs. So I would put that back. And that changed it back to white. But that's just a quick way to find the little things that you want to change, like your font size. I mean, you don't want to get too carried away, but if you needed to change colors or fonts or figure out, for example, what's controlling the size of your titles, you do the Inspect Element, and then you go through the detail here, looking for where font size is mentioned. Here it is. Now I know it's called entry title. Controls the look of that. So just a quick way to find little changes you can make to your site. Thanks.